Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing this. Thousands of dollars deposited into your bank account while you were sleeping. No 9 to 5. No boss breathing down your neck. Just money flowing in, passively. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's the harsh truth. Most people never make it. They try, they fail, and they quit because no one tells them the real secrets of affiliate marketing. But today I'm going to change that. If you want financial freedom, if you're tired of struggling, stay with me, because what you're about to learn will blow your mind. But be warned, this video may change your life forever. Picture this. There was a guy, let's call him John. John worked 50+ hours a week at a soul-crushing job he hated. No time for family, no time for fun, just an endless cycle of stress. One day he stumbled upon a YouTube video promising him easy money online. He tried affiliate marketing and failed over and over. Wasted months, lost money. Sound familiar? That's what most beginners experience. Then, one night, he discovered a hidden loophole, a simple, proven system that skyrocketed his earnings overnight. Today, John is making 5 figures a month without ever selling a single product himself. And guess what? You can do the exact same thing. This is how you make money with affiliate marketing, step by step. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online if you do it right. But most people fail because they don't understand this simple concept. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to deal with customers. You don't need a huge audience. All you do? Recommend a product and get paid a commission. Every single time someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you make money. Simple, right? But here's the catch. Actionable tip. Start by signing up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Choose a product that aligns with your interests and has high commission rates. The biggest mistakes beginners make. Most beginners make crucial mistakes that keep them broke. Mistake number 1, spamming links everywhere. Stop. No one clicks random links from strangers. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong products. If you promote garbage, people won't trust you. Mistake number 3, thinking you need a huge following. You don't. I'll show you how to make money even with 0 followers. Actionable tip. Instead of spamming, create valuable content around your affiliate product, such as blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media reviews that solve real problems. How to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. All right, let's get to the good stuff. I'm about to show you exactly how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, even if you have 0 experience. This method works without spending money on ads or needing a website up front. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to making passive income fast. Step 1. Pick a high-paying affiliate program. Most people make a big mistake by choosing low-paying programs like Amazon Associates. Sure, Amazon is popular, but it only pays tiny commissions, as low as 1 to 3% per sale. Instead, choose high-ticket affiliate programs that pay $50, $100, or even $500 per sale. These include software. Think ClickFunnels, Shopify, or Jasper AI. People need these. Online courses and coaching. People are willing to pay big dollar to learn new skills. Health and supplements. The fitness and wellness industry is massive. Actionable tip. Go to sites like Digistore24, ClickBank, or Impact.com and look for offers that pay at least $50 per sale. Step 2. Choose a niche that actually makes money. If you want to make money, you can't just pick any random topic. Some niches are gold mines, while others are deserts. Here are the top 3 money-making niches. Health, weight loss, fitness, and skincare products sell like crazy. Wealth. Teaching people how to make or save money is a huge industry. Relationships, dating advice, marriage tips, and self-improvement always have demand. Actionable tip: pick a niche that is profitable and something you enjoy. This makes content creation so much easier. Step 3. Create content that gets clicks. Secret free traffic method. No traffic equals no sales. So, how do you get people to see your affiliate links for free? The secret: use platforms that reward viral content, like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. These platforms push your content to millions of people, even if you have 0 followers. How to create viral content in 3 steps. 1. Find what's trending. Search your niche on TikTok or YouTube and see what's getting millions of views. 2. Copy the style. Don't reinvent the wheel. Use the same hook, format, and storytelling. 3. Insert your affiliate link. Add it in your bio, description, or comments. Actionable tip: use SEO optimized keywords like best affiliate programs for beginners or how to make money online in 2025 in your video titles to rank higher and get more clicks. Step 4. Drive traffic using SEO, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook groups. This is where things get exciting. The more people see your content, the more money you can make. Here's how to get free traffic fast. YouTube Shorts and TikTok post short 15 to 30-second videos with engaging hooks. Example: how I made $1,000 in 7 days. No website needed. Facebook groups. Join groups in your niche. Provide value and share your links the right way, not spammy. SEO blogging. Write blog posts or create a simple Google site using keywords people are searching for. Actionable tip: pick one traffic method and master it before trying another. If you're good at talking, do YouTube. If you love writing, start a blog. Step 5. Scale up and automate. Make money while you sleep. Once you start making money, it's time to scale and automate your business. 3 ways to scale fast. 1. Outsource. Hire freelancers to create content for you. 2. Email marketing. Build an email list and promote more products. 3. Paid ads. Once you're profitable, reinvest into ads to get even more traffic. Actionable tip: set a goal. Make your first $100, then $500, then $1,000. Soon you'll be making thousands per month. Listen, I know what it's like to struggle, to feel stuck, to wonder if you'll ever break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But here's the truth: you are one decision away from changing your life. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real, legitimate way to build wealth online, but only if you're willing to put in the work. Success doesn't happen overnight, but if you start today, imagine where you'll be 6 months from now, 1 year from now. Financial freedom, time freedom, it's possible. So what are you waiting for? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. This is your moment. Go take it. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make passive income online, but you have to take action. Follow these steps and commit to it for 30 to 90 days. If you stay consistent, you can turn this into a full-time income. Now it's your turn. Comment below, "I'm starting today," and let's make this year your breakthrough year. Don't forget, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more money-making tips. Share this video with someone who wants to make money online. See you in the next video.